It's currently 10:49 a.m. on December 15, 2021. Today exists potential for significant fire potential for wildfires. Hopefully no one decides to go burning today or burn anything, as fire rate spread could be between 400 to 500 feet per minute plus. As you can see, all around is nothing but brown. All the trees are basically dried up. There is a lot of fuel out there today. Extreme fire conditions are probable in the Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma Panhandle, up through Kansas. Winds are going to be gusting between 50 to 70 miles an hour, wind sustained at 40 plus. So we're just going to have to see what happens today. Warning currently in effect for Guymon on the western portions of town. Anybody off Sunset Lane has to evacuate right now. Winds are probably from the west at 30 to 40 miles an hour. As you can see, the smoke is directly ahead of me, just to my north a little bit, so I should be okay, but I am going to go a little bit northward and maybe westward. Hopefully stay on the south side of the fire. But yes, Western Guymon is under a fire warning right now.